Hey guys, it's Zaria. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting. It is the Galentines Day box swap. I did do this last year. It's organized by my best friend Erica over at Erica Campo, and she invited a bunch of us from the Disney YouTube community to participate in a Galentines themed swap. Now, so for any of you who've never heard of Galentines Day or aren't sure what it is, where I know it from is from Parks and Rec, and it's if you watch Parks and Rec, Leslie Knope celebrates it with her gals, with her friends, and so it's just kind of a special way of celebrating your friends the day before Valentine's Day. And so Erica wanted to come together and do this, and my favorite thing about the swap is the budget, which is $20. So I did stick to my budget. I actually came in under my budget this year. But I also think I might have sent one of the most amazing boxes that I've ever sent in my entire YouTube life. So make sure you go through the playlist to figure out who I had and why I felt the need to just come up with the most amazing things based on what I already had in my craft room. So my box is here. I do know who it's from, but I think I might wait and just see if there's a card or something. But let's go ahead and jump into this box. Oh, it's so cute! Oh! Okay, first of all, I love conversation hearts. That's like probably one of my favorite like Valentine's Day decor kind of things to do. And my person wrote the lyrics to Kiss the Girl on here. So it says, sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, don't be scared, you got the mood. Oh, I'm reading it the wrong way. So it says, don't be scared, you got the mood prepared, go on and kiss the girl, oh, oh. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Okay, I'll stop. So she did cut out a bunch of cute little hearts and sprinkled them all inside. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. So she wrote Happy Valentine's Day on the front of the card. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm definitely destined to be your swap box fairy. Perfectly okay with that because I always love putting boxes together for you. Thank you for being such a great Disney gal pal all the time. Oh, sorry. All items are labeled and in order. The last item may take a little playing around with to get it to sit right, but it should work. Will make sense when you open. Part of the box has a theme. Love the Sassy Cinderella. So Heather has had me, I think this might be the 4th time that Heather's happened to have me in a box swap, and they've all been hosted by different people, so it's just kind of funny that like she really does get me a lot, and I really do hope she's okay with that. But on the bright side, okay, of having the same person like 4 times, I do feel like Heather knows me very well at this point because she's read quite a few questionnaires from me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in. I'm going to set this on the ground just so that I can properly dig through. First of all, Heather always does such a good job wrapping. I'm gonna show you guys, but the candy is sitting out on top, so I'm gonna grab that out first. So first things first, she included some sour worms, which I love. These are actually kind of never seen before though. They say sour bread crawlers, fruit punch, which these will be eaten today for sure. And then the other thing is a Reese's Fast Break bar. This is such a random candy, and I always write it down, but like I rarely get it in boxes just because it's kind of a harder candy to find. But these, you guys, if you like Reese's, you've got to try these. Reese's Fast Break bar. Your life will be changed forever. You're welcome. And thank you, Heather. So number 1, do you guys see what I'm talking about with the wrapping? Like her wrapping game is on point. So cute. It looks like the little conversation hearts on the wrapping paper, and then she put this extra little bow. What is this? Oh! I don't even know what this is, but it's so pretty. It's a box and there's these little like roses inside, and it says rose and hibiscus fragrance, soothes skin, helps retain moisture, promotes health and growth. Rose soap petals. This is soap?
Add floral essence to your bathroom or soap dish using Lovely Alchemy Living Refresh Rose Soap Petals. Perfect for everyday use, this box features assorted wildflower soap petals that add a mesmerizing touch of color and fragrance to your bathing experience.
Wow. So these are soap. It says directions. Perfect for a good hand wash A luxurious bath. For hand wash, use one petal at a time, then discard. Heather, that's so cool. I've literally never heard of this in my whole life. And okay, we gotta smell it, obviously, though. So there's soap. Like, you can rip the petals off of each flower, and then it's like, it can be a hand soap, so you can like, oh, that's so cute. I wonder if Heather knew that. Okay, so I'm kind of planning on maybe making Dalen's bathroom upstairs Beauty and the Beast themed. And these would be so perfect in there. I'm wondering if I said that on my questionnaire or if Heather's just psychic. Oh my God, they do. They smell exactly like roses. Oh my God, Erica would die for this. Roses like Erica and Rowan's favorite scents. That's so pretty. This is gonna look gorgeous. If I end up doing the Beauty and the Beast bathroom, this is like the most perfect thing. It's decorative and functional. Oh my God, Heather, that's so cool. You're gonna have to let me know where you got those, because even just in the box, like, they're just gorgeous. Heather, you have such an eye, I swear. Oh, there's a sheet mask. Strawberry hydrating sheet mask. I love sheet masks. I've actually been trying to do some sort of sheet mask or cream mask or something like that at least once a week, because my skin, y'all, with wearing my actual mask every day, it's not doing too hot. So thank you so much, Heather, for the sheet mask. I will absolutely use it. I'm trying to figure out the numbers of these because it looks like they may have come off. Oh no, I think this is 3. I think this is 3, but I'm not 100% sure. And then, oh, there's another fast break bar. Okay, hang on. If this is 4, this number came off too. Oh no. Okay, I have to put my phone because I have to message Heather. Okay, I just talked to Heather and she basically said that the biggest one is the one to save for last and the others don't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this one right here. Oh, how cute! Okay, it's a little like baking thing. Guys, okay, first of all, sorry, me and Heather have so much in common because we're both very like DIY and craft and sewing and baking and all kinds of things. And she sent me this little Valentine's Day thing. It's like a, what are these called? A rubber spatula, and it says love on it. And then it has a little metal heart-shaped cookie cutter, but it's also like kind of scalloped edged. That is so cute. I love baking, I really, really do. But okay, this is gonna sound so sad. When I saw the cookie cutter, my first thought is always to make like fake decorative cookies. Is that weird? That's just where my brain naturally goes. And like this, I was like, oh my God, how cute will that be in a tiered tray? I'm like, I love baking, but let me decorate with these baking items. Okay, I'm gonna do this one next. Oh my God. Okay, they're like dish towels and they say, I love you a latte. And okay, so fun fact about me with Valentine's Day, I love red, but if you can tell by my aesthetic, I'm so into like pinks and pastels and that kind of like Valentine's Day color scheme. So this is exactly what I like, is like simple colors and just like dashes of pink and red, you know? I hope I'm making sense. I'm way too excited about this. But I love dish towels and I love holiday towels in my bathrooms and stuff. And I only got like one for the powder room, so now I have some that I can put in the other bathrooms. So my husband's so excited. Although this one's coffee, so this one's gonna have to go in the kitchen. And I love coffee. Another thing me and Heather have in common. So yeah, it says I love you a latte, and it's got 2 little like to-go Valentine styled cups. That's so cute. These are also really nice dish towels. Like, they're nice and thick. Where are these from? I have no idea where these are from, but they're super cute and I love them. Thank you so much, Heather. This is why I love this swap, you guys. It's so simple and just fun, and it's just little items that just make you smile and make you feel loved and appreciated, and just, I love it. Heather, thank you so much. Okay, I'm on my last one. And again, she put like the little conversation marks. Okay, she said, handmade with love. Oh my God, I love DIY stuff. I love like handmade presents. Okay. Heather. Did you sew me a freaking apron? Oh my God. I'm sorry, I'm trying, guys. She made me a Valentine's Day apron. It's like a baking, it's like, okay, she said there was like a little bit of a theme, and do you guys see it? I just knocked over a craft that I made. Hold, please. It's like a baking theme, like she said. Oh, that's so cute. You guys know I'm a sucker for a good themed box, so, oh my god. Okay, hold on, let me try this on. Okay, this is so well made. This is so well made. I cannot express to you guys. Okay, so first of all, oh my god, she put a pocket. Oh my god, Heather. Okay, so the fabric is like red and it says love all over it. It's got these little bumblebees buzzing and the little beehive with like flowers on it. It's so pretty. And then she put this gorgeous pink trim all the way around it. I feel like I'm moving this thing around so fast you guys aren't gonna be able to see, but this is the part that really impressed me. Okay, so she could have just done an apron that like you hook over your head and tie around your waist, but she kind of went a little bit extra, and it's one of those ones that like crisscrosses in the back. That is so cute, Heather. Thank you so much. Oh my god. She did so good. Guys, I really am a sucker for handmade stuff, and I sew, so I do know how long this probably took her, and Heather, thank you so much for using so much of your time to make me something so special. That is just so sweet. I will absolutely use this every single time I'm baking. For those of you who don't know, I don't cook. Like, I don't cook, but I do bake. I especially love making birthday cakes for my daughters. Obviously, I only do that like twice a year now, but it is kind of a big deal when I do it because I usually spend a couple days. So this is, oh my god, it's so cute, and it's also cute because it's like a decor item. Like if I can hang this in my kitchen, it's like, again, dual use, like decorative and functional. Thank you so much, Heather. Seriously, I cannot express how much I love this and just how sweet that was of you to spend so much time making me something so heartfelt. Do you guys see why I love this swap so much? I just love Valentine's Day, and I know that a lot of people get hung up on like having a partner for Valentine's Day, but I just think that it can be so much more than that. It can just be appreciating the people in your life who you love and who love you back, and that's what this swap is all about, is just us getting together with our friends and showing love and appreciation for one another. Thank you so much, Heather, for spoiling me. You guys be sure to go check out Heather's channel. If you're not subscribed to her, please go do that. I'm sure you are already because Lord knows we've done enough swaps together and collabs. But I do adore her. She's so sweet, and she's got such a unique, amazing channel with a lot of variety. And that, truthfully, I love channels like that where you see a lot of different content. It just kind of keeps it really, you know, interesting and unique. And of course, go check out every other channel participating in this. Erica is the host channel, and then we have a lot of my other really close Disney friends, and I want you guys to go support them. Please, please go do. If you guys watch this video all the way to the end, please leave me a different color heart emoji to represent my love of conversation hearts, and let me know which item in here did you love the most. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I'm gonna stop talking so this video is not forever long, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.